Hello, I'm going to show you how I made French cleat tool holders for my Ryobi and DeWalt multi-tools. Why do I have a DeWalt and Ryobi multi-tool?
It's one of life's mysteries, sir.
This video is part of a series where I build French cleat tool holders to go on my French cleat wall. It's a playlist. Go check it out. My shop is small and I'm lazy. So instead of hanging my tools sideways, I like to make my tool holders hold the tools the way I'm going to use them so I can just grab them and use them right away. See, I'm already holding the tool the way I'm going to use it. I don't have to flip it around in my hands. I also like to keep the tool's parts on the French cleat holder so everything is in one place and easy to find. Isn't this a great way to hang tools? To build the holders for my multi-tools, I'm going to use scraps because I have a lot of scraps. And if you're a woodworker, you have a lot of scraps too.
It's all
wood scraps
nowadays.
And if you've been waiting around waiting for a sign to tell you to use those scraps you've been hoarding.
First step is to cut a backer board. I'm using 3/8" wood here. Then you'll need a 1" wide strip of wood. I'll tell you the lengths to cut in just a minute. Cut two 1.75" lengths on your 1" strip and then cut a 2x3" piece out of another piece of scrap. Then get some other random scrap and cut the lengths you see here. 3 pieces will form the hook that will hold your tool on the wall. For the blade holder, we'll cut these lengths of the 1" strip, and then another piece of your scrap to these dimensions.
The next day.
Next, you'll need to drill or otherwise make a 1 1/4" half circle in the sanding triangle holder. Oh wait, I forgot something. It's a 2" strip of wood that you're going to hang your blades on. You need this too. Sorry.
Three hours later. Yay!
The Ryobi multi-tool French cleat holder is just like the DeWalt one, except it's different. These blades are round, they don't hang like the other ones do, so just put a post here. I've got to screw through the back of that one just like the other one to make it strong. And then the tool holder is just a piece of wood with a half circle cut out of it so that the front of the tool clips in place. Now I have French cleat holders for both of my multi-tools. They're completely portable, they cost me nothing because I made them out of scraps, and they're hanging right here with my other hand tools so I can get to them easily. If you want to see more French cleat holders here in the shop or the things that we build with the tools that hang on these French cleat holders, like and subscribe to the channel. You'll see lots of cool stuff. It's fun, I promise. There, all my cutting tools, right in a row. That's all I have for today. See you next time.